Hello children, how are you all today? Hope you are all keeping well. Now children, today I am going to show you some interesting activities. The first activity is called the pouring activity. For this, you will need two glasses. In one glass, I have filled rice in it and the other glass is empty. Now in the empty glass, I have marked a line over here. See, can you see this line? Now, when I pour the rice from this full glass into the empty glass, I will pour the rice only up to this line. I will not go beyond this line. Now children, just watch how I am pouring the rice. Watch my hand movement. I will pour very slowly and keep moving my hand around so that the rice falls equally at every place. And I will stop when I reach the line. See children, in this way I have poured the rice and I have filled it till this line only. Now children, you can practice this at home with any dry ingredient like dal, or later you can try with water also. The next activity is the lacing activity. For that, I have prepared a card like this, which is triangle in shape. Children, you can ask your mother to make this for you out of any shape. And there I have put some holes in it. See, children, I have made some holes in it. Along with this, you will require a shoelace. See, this is a shoelace. At one end of the shoelace, I have tied a knot. And with the other end of the shoelace and the card, I will insert it in the hole. See, like this. And pull it out. Again, in the next hole, I shall insert it like this. See how I am holding it, children, with the 3 fingers? And I will put it inside this hole and again pull the lace. Similarly, again I will insert it in the next hole. In this way, I will complete the entire triangle. See children, how I have completed the entire triangle. At home, you can practice this with any other shape. The next activity that I am going to show you is called the tracing activity. For that, you will need a sheet of paper like this and an empty bowl. Now, I will trace the outline of this bowl with the help of a crayon. See, in this way, I will trace the outline of the bowl. Now, children, after tracing, you can even fill inside with the help of the same crayon. We will color inside this circle and see how I will color it by making standing lines next to each other. I will make sure that I fill in the color properly without leaving any white space. And I will also make sure that I go in one direction only. I will go from up to down, from up to down. In this way, you will fill the entire circle and complete the coloring. Now children, I hope you will practice all these 3 activities at home and ask your mother to help you with these. Now just a small note for the parents. All these activities help your child to develop their motor skills. They also develop their concentration and also improve their hand-eye coordination. Thank you.